My name is NITIN HULLUR and my branch name is AIDS first year. My startup company from innovation and design thinking is Cubic Technology. My product present name is Internet and Networks. My product proposed name is iNetwork. And the empathy for the internet and networkings are more internet speed with the high security and internet availability, direct satellite, and using instead of physical SIM. Cost of the internet will be reduced. High speed with the wireless network. These are the two empathizings. Definition based on the empathy stage, the considering and the feelings and the requirements of customers. There are many few features added to the existing product. The existing product name is Internet and Networks. Futuristic product name is iNetworking. Idea. Some of the additional features can be added are mentioned below, and there are many more fast and reliable digital eSIM satellite network from the internet. This is the prototype of the internet networking through internet from satellite testing stages. I request the reviewer of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.